October 10th and 11th is right around the corner. Got any plans? If so, cancel them.
Because we've got big plans for you. SPRY is at Private Practice 2024 Annual Conference.
And we're bringing 4 game-changing features that will take the pain out of managing your practice.
I've been waiting for this for the last 6 months. We've been working under the hood on some really exciting stuff.
That's going to empower your clinic. It's going to change the way that the PT space is going to be defined and managed. You're going to ensure that you're going to save more time and make more money.
It really will help take away the pain from managing large practices and worrying about your bottom line.
Liberate yourself from this unnecessary burden of inefficient, clunky software.
Catch us at booth 313.
Booth 313.
Booth 313.
Booth 313.
Booth 313.
Hope to see you there.